Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I am going to show you how to install WordPress on Cpanel without any software. First, please log in with your credentials in Cpanel. This is how it's supposed to look. But be aware that theme may vary. To install WordPress, we need first to download it from wordpress.org. Save it as we will need it soon. First step is to create a database. So click on Database section. On Create New Database input, write a name. It needs to be short. Then press Create Database. Let's create a user to access that database. Go on Add New User and add the name and password. Remember this data because you will need it. After this, we need to allow privileges to user to database. Go to Add User to Database and select the user and then select Database. Here select all privileges. Press on Make Changes. Click now on File Manager. Click on Public HTML folder. Then press on Upload from the top menu. Upload now the WordPress file you downloaded from wordpress.com. On File Manager, click again on Public folder. You will now see the archive. Right-click on the archive and select Extract. Click on WordPress folder. Here press on Select All button from the top. After that, press the top button Move. On the folder path, remove WordPress and press Move File. Click again the public HTML folder. You can delete WordPress archive and WordPress directory. This is optional. Now go to your domain. In our case, demo.dexblog.net. Press Continue. Press Let's Go. Here you will need to write the name of the database, username and password. If you do not remember exactly, go on Cpanel. Please note that username and database is not always the same, so be careful what you type. Press Run Installation. Now we need to add a site title and description. Also, you may choose a good admin username and password. Do not use a very easy one to guess. Press Install WordPress and the site will be ready to go in a few seconds. Click Login and use your username and password and you are now all set. Thank you for watching and please thumbs up, share and subscribe.